Hello, today we are at Orangeville DriveTest Centre. We are going to go to Orangeville G2 Test Route. They have four separate routes here. I'm going to show you all the four routes one by one. After watching my video, if you have still any questions, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Let's go. Let's go to Orangeville G2 Test Route number 2. You have to park your car here in the parking. Then the examiner is going to tell you to take a right from here. Look around, everything is clear. I will take a right here. And go straight. Somebody is doing parking there. Be careful. Give them their space. Don't go too close to them. Yeah, once they are done, we will go. Look around. Everything is clear. Look front, back. Yeah, they are done. Like they are done. Yep, good. And then we can go now. Keep your car on the right side. With your driving, don't scare anybody on the road. Not other car, not a pedestrian, nothing, right? Just check both sides, check driveway. We'll take a left on the next stop sign. Yeah, there's one driveway here. Check here too. No one is coming here. Stop before the crosswalk here. Stop here, completely stop. And then go further here. Check. Anyone coming? Yeah. Look, anyone coming anywhere? I can see one car's coming from the left side. Yeah, now it's clear. I can take a left here. Let's take a left here. It's a 4th Avenue speed limit is 40 here. On the 4th Avenue speed limit is 40. And next stop sign we will take a right. Route number 1 and 2 I am going to take you to right side. Route number 3 and 4 I am going to take you to left side. So this is route number 2. I am going to take you to right from this stop sign. A stop here at the line. Complete stop. Somebody else came before us, so they will go first. Yeah, and now we can go. It's our turn. And then next traffic light, we will take a left. This is the 3rd Street. 3rd Street speed limit is again 40 here. We will take a left on the next traffic light. That's the 5th Avenue. We will take a left here. There is a signal blind spot. We will go left lane here. And cars are coming straight. One car is in front of us. So when the car is gone in the middle, like a front car, we have to stay behind the line. Yeah, no one is coming now. We can take a left here. And the 5th Avenue speed limit is 40 again here. Yes. We will take a left around here. Look, check around. Speed limit is 40 here. Don't exceed the speed limit. Next traffic light, we will take a left. MSB, mirror signal blind spot. Go left here. It's a 40 area end here. And from the next light, we'll take a left. There's a 1st Street. On the 1st Street, speed limit is 50 here. When you're standing at the intersection, keep both hands on the steering all the time. Keep on looking around. Keep on checking. Look around, look around. Look around. Yeah, their light is going to turn to yellow soon. When their light is yellow, we can be ready to go to left after that. Wait for your light to turn to green. Be careful. Yeah, our light is going to turn to green soon. Yeah, their light is yellow. I can see that. When you're standing in the intersection, keep on checking all those things. Now, our light is green. Check both sides. And the 1st Street speed limit is 50 here. Yes, we'll take a left here. And then change it to right. Mirror signal blind spot. Change it to right. And that this lane is ending. You can change back to left. Mirror signal blind spot, change it to left. Even if you don't change lane here, examiner is not going to say you anything because this lane is ending anyway. So they are not going to say you anything here. First look around, everything is clear, everything is good. Speed limit is 50 here, go to 50. Check in intersection all the time. Check in intersection. Yeah, 1st Street, speed limit is 50 here. We will take a left on the next traffic light. Mirror signal blind spot. We'll take a left on the next traffic light. MSB. And this 2nd Avenue. We'll take a left here. You can take a left on the 2nd Avenue, and his again speed limit is 40 here. Here speed limit change very frequently. Be careful about that, okay? Very frequent speed limit change. And we will take left from the next stop sign. They're called 2nd Street. We will take a left here. Complete stop. And then take left. It's always stop sign. Where first? We will go first. And in these streets, they are going to ask you 3-point turn, parallel parking, uphill and downhill parking. For all those things, you can watch my another video. And I have made very beautiful video about how to do parallel parking with the car, with the pools. You can watch that videos. And how to do the 3-point turn properly. And these hill things, they're going to ask you a downhill, uphill parking like that. So be ready to do all those things in this street. Speed limit speed is 40 here. I'm not going to teach you the parking in these streets, but you can watch my another video for that. Speed limit is 40 here. We are first. We will go first here. Next stop sign, we will take a right. We'll take a right here. This stop sign is only for you. Only you have to stop completely. Stop here. See anyone coming? There's a 5th Avenue again. No one coming. We will take a right here. And next traffic light, take a right again. Next traffic light, we will go right. And that's called 3rd Street. In this whole area, inside the residential area, is all 40 here. Main road is 50, residential area is 40 here. 3rd Street, first we have to stop here completely. Check anyone coming. There's one car is coming too fast. Wait for him. Let's see what he's going to do. Yeah, he's not coming in our way now. Just we can take a right here. Take a right here. And again, this is a 40 area. Drive at 40 only. 35 to 40 is a good speed. Watch for the pedestrian, watch for the cars, watch for the driveways. Do lot of observations. Next stop sign, we will take a left. First you to stop all way. First stop here completely. Yeah, look around. Watch all the pedestrians those are walking. Be careful about the driveways. Cars are coming out. Then we'll take a right inside here, right into the parking lot. We will take a right here. If somebody is parking there, be careful. Don't go too close to them. Yeah, one car is coming from the other side too. Be careful. Keep on looking around everywhere. Here's like a lot of sometimes they're taking truck tests also. Be careful about that one too. Keep on checking around, do observation, do a lot of observation. And then if they have not asked you parallel parking there, sometimes they ask back parking after coming here. Sometimes they ask both also, parallel parking and back parking. So be ready with everything. Okay, then let him go, then let this car go, then we'll park on the right side. Yeah, put right indicator, right blind spot. And we'll park on the right side here. Then the examiner is going to tell you park your car and park your car. The examiner will tell you, okay, you meet in the medicine standard today, you pass your test. Congratulations, you pass your test. I hope you like my video. If you still have any questions, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. And if you want to learn driving with us, you can call us anytime at the AIAC Driving School, 416-275-3965.
Watching Chawla's video to prepare for your G or G2 driving test? Why not prepare with Chawla himself? Adarsh Chawla, MTO certified driving instructor with over 20 years of experience. Call now 416-275-3965.